Josephine. How do you do? Do you remember me, baby, like I remember you? You used to laugh at me and holler. I used to walk you home. I used to hold your hand. You need to use my umbrella every time it rained. You used to cry so much, it was a crying shame. Hello, Josephine. How do you do? Do you remember me, baby, like I remember you? You used to laugh at me and holler, oh, woo, woo, woo. Yonder by the railroad tracks. When it rained you couldn't walk. I used to tote you on my back. Now you try to make believe